Has Roblox been giving you a hard time refusing to launch no matter what you do? Well, worry no more. Today we'll tackle this issue head on, and by the end of this video, you'll be back in your favorite Roblox world having a blast. First off, let's get rid of Roblox from your system. To do this, download and install the IObit uninstaller. Once it's up and running, type Roblox into the search bar, find the application, and hit the uninstall button. Make sure to also delete all residual files to ensure a clean slate. With Roblox successfully uninstalled, it's time to close the IObit uninstaller and bring up the command prompt. After typing in cd app data local and hitting enter, you'll need to type rmdir/s/q roblox and press enter again. When asked to confirm, type ye and then close the command prompt. But we're not done with the command prompt just yet. Reopen it as an administrator and type ipconfig/flushdns. After hitting enter and seeing the process complete, close the command prompt and restart your PC. Now, this next step might not be necessary, but it's always good to have some free space on your Windows drive. So let's get rid of some junk files. Type run in your search bar, then type %temp% in the run dialog. Select all the files and delete them. Don't worry about losing anything important, these are just junk files. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to fix the Roblox not launching issue. To recap, you've uninstalled Roblox, used the command prompt to delete residual files, flushed your DNS, restarted your PC, and cleared some space on your Windows drive. I hope this solution gets Roblox up and running for you just as it did for me. If you have any further questions or need more assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, every problem has a solution. Until next time, happy gaming.